Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it is snowing, so I thought why not film a clean with me because the house needed cleaned anyway, honestly. So that is what I'm gonna do today is just do a little cleaning, give you guys some motivation, and also I talk a little bit about Yoli. So here in a minute we are going to get started in the master bathroom. It's not too messy in here and it's not really dirty. It just needs a good little scrub and some stuff needs to be put away. And I also wanted to get the tub really clean because we had a water main break in our town, and then it started like running like that nasty rust water. So I just wanted to give everything a good scrub. Also, side note, I actually made these "You'll be my glass of wine, I'll be your shot of whiskey" signs. That was Nick and I's song when we first met. I'm not sure if it still is today, 7 years later. I should probably ask him. But that was our song when we first met, and I just love how it turned out. So first I got started kind of decluttering that shelf area. It's not really cluttered, but it's just an awkward space to work with. So I was just, making it look a little better, and then I was gonna roll our towels just to try that for a while. And this looks really funny, but I'm just dusting the ceiling because for some reason we get like cobwebs on the ceiling. I noticed them more here than the apartment. I don't know if it is because the ceilings are whiter. I'm not sure. So now I'm just gonna do my cleaning routine in the bathroom. I start from the top and work towards the bottom. So now I'm gonna do the mirrors, and you can see how gross the top of the mirrors were. I did not realize they were that dusty already. I mean, I guess it's been a couple months, but yeah, I'm glad I came in here and I'm glad I did that step. And yes, that is an Alexa that you see on our bathroom counter. We like to listen to music while we shower or take a bath or something, and also it's been really helpful to set a timer on her. So when Colton's in the bath, when it goes off, I don't know if he's like scared of her or what, but he's always been a little apprehensive of her. So when she goes off, he's like, okay, it's time to get out of the bath, and we don't really have fights anymore. So I wanted to show you guys these shelves that Nick put up for me. He did such a good job. I absolutely love them. They're exactly what I wanted. And then I had to show you guys this little sign that my mom got me. But the shelves are just absolutely perfect. I cannot be happier with them. So I'm just going to go ahead and give them a dust. Also, side note, they still need to be like drilled in from the bottom so they stay in place. We just have not gotten around to doing that yet. So in a minute, you're gonna see me struggling with the tissues. I went to put them back where they were, and then I was like, that's kind of gross because when you flush, like all of that comes like back up into the air or whatnot. So I'm gonna have to find a different place for those because I did not think that one through when I put them there to begin with. Let me know where everybody else has their tissues in their bathroom. I have also been sick for like a week or so I'm just gonna go ahead and disinfect everything as I clean today. No, it was not COVID, thank goodness. We have stayed healthy and, as safe as we can be, and so far, fingers crossed and knock on wood and all that superstition stuff, it stays that way. And a little side note, eventually all of our trim will match. It's just kind of low on the priority list at the current moment, but I promise you it will all match one of these days. I seriously just have to laugh at myself here because looking back, it's like, how did I not hit the fan with the duster, and what would have happened if I did? And yeah, I just have to look back and laugh. So now I'm gonna do what I start with every time I clean our bedroom, is I start with making the bed. I feel like when the bed is made, everything else just kind of comes together. And another little side note, I feel like I have so much to catch you guys up on. Our bed frame broke. I can hear the jokes now. Our bed frame broke. So we are waiting on a new one. We have already purchased it and it won't be here till April. So we're sleeping like this for now. And also the little onesie sleeper thing I just showed you, that is from Forever Lazy, I believe it's called. And you guys, they're the comfiest onesies ever. My dad, Nick, and I all have one. We have not gotten my mom on board yet, but we all have one. And they are super comfy, and like, I am a naturally cold person, and I put that on and I'm good to go. So I will link them below if you guys would like. Shout out to my cousin Taylor, who got me this picture frame for Christmas. I absolutely love it, and I obviously have it in our bedroom, and I just put a picture of me and Nick. I think that was Halloween of 2019. We were at a winery party, so obviously it was pre-COVID. So yeah, I think it was Halloween of 2019. And here is my little shadow with me. I swear he just follows me around the house. I don't know what he does when I'm not home, but I imagine he just cannot wait for me to come back home so he can follow me some more. I'm just quickly wiping down the doors. I had WD-40'd the door hinges and stuff, and then I had never actually gotten the excess residue off, so that is what I'm doing there. And here is the finished bedroom. There is nothing better than going to sleep in a fresh, cleaned, perfect room. Another upgrade, you guys. I keep joking with Nick that these were my Valentine's Day present. These are the Samsung, I can't remember exactly what they're called, I'll have to link them below, but if you guys are in the market for a washer and dryer, I highly recommend these. It has the soft close lid, it has so many functions, and just makes laundry so much easier to do, and I do not recommend, or I do not regret purchasing these. Now it is obviously the next day. I did not get to work on the living room or the kitchen that previous night, so now I'm just clearing off the countertops. Colton had been with my grandma for a day or so, and I had to unpack his bag, and then we just had lunch stuff out, and then I'm going to get started on that mound of dishes. Okay, I just wanted to take a minute to tell you guys all the things that you get in the Yoli transformation kit, which is like it transforms your body into what you want it to be. It's a 30-day kit, and you get 2 protein powders. You can do 2 vanilla, 2 chocolate. I like to do 1 of each just for options. You also get a blender bottle Yoli shaker for your protein shakes. I honestly use them for the Passion and the Truth as well. So you also get a canister of the Passion. You get 2 alkalites, which just kind of regulate the pH in your body. You get a Pure, which helps with digestive, like the digestive tract, and you also get Resolve, which is kind of, you take it so your hunger level isn't like high all the time. And then they changed their little pamphlets, and now they are 3-ring, not 3-ring, they're like spiral, you know, and it just has everything in it that you need to know. So yeah, they have a progress chart. So you put your starting, like your waist, your thighs, your arms, your chest, your hips, and your weight. And then you measure at the end of each week, and then you can actually see like how much weight you're dropping or how many inches you're dropping. So that's really fun to see. This is my 3rd kit now. And they have this little cheat sheet that has like the orange days and the blue days, which would be meal days and protein days. So yes, that is everything you get in a transformation kit. So highly recommend checking them out. Like I said, this is my 3rd kit, and I'm still very happy with Yoli. I actually just got a canister of the Citrus Truth. I already had the pomegranate one. So these are like immune boosting, and I have been sick this past week, but not to the point of like I'm down for the count, can't do anything, anything like that. And I will swear that it is because of Yoli. So definitely recommend checking them out. Now I'm just putting the dishes away that had already dried so I can go ahead and work on the sink full. And yes, there are more on the counter next to it. I don't know what happened, you guys. I swear I did not do this just for the video. This was real life. I don't know what happened. I just got behind, and Nick was on like a lot of 12 hours. So yeah, but we're gonna get them done today and it'll be all right. I have officially opened up my own little Cricut business or crafting business, and I actually made these for Colton and I customized our Yetis. We actually had the same color of Yeti, so I thought those were super cute. I would like to add a dad life one for Nick. I'm just not sure which color or if he should get the same color, but I have actually customized quite a few of our Yetis so far. So like I said, I have actually opened up my own craft business. My forte is stemless wine glasses, but I am trying to get into doing a little of everything. And I actually have a Facebook page. If you guys are interested, I will link that page below so you can go see some of my work. And that's where I sell a lot of my stuff too as well. So if you guys are interested, I will leave the link down below. Now it's time to clean the microwave because you guys, for some reason, this is one place where I just forget. I don't know why, but somebody can come in and check all the spaces and be like, yep, your house is clean, and then they like randomly check the microwave and they're like, what happened? I don't know, you guys, I just forget about it. We don't use it a whole lot, So I know from the looks of it, it looks like we do, but I'm just saying, like, I don't clean it a lot because I forget about it. So go clean your microwaves with me. Now it's like, I think it's like 1 or 2 in the afternoon, and Nick just woke up. He works third shift most of the time, and yes, he is in desperate need for a haircut. I just have not had time. I actually just got Colton's haircut today. I cut everybody's hair in the house, and I actually just did Colton's today as I'm doing this voiceover. So I have plans to get Nick's haircut tomorrow, but anyway, this section was so dirty, and I actually realized that on the back of our wine cooler, I had never cleaned the filters back there. So yeah, I went ahead and did that. It was not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but they definitely needed done. You guys want to know how you can tell if you watch too many horror movies? At nighttime when I'm folding laundry over here, I feel like I'm going to be grabbed and drug out that window. So yeah, maybe I should start watching comedies or something instead of the horror movies. I had run out of time to vacuum and mop the master bathroom and master bedroom the night before, so I am going ahead and doing that now that Nick is awake, and then I will move on to the living room. Not much was needed to be done in here. It was more of just tidying up and a little bit of dusting, but I keep it pretty minimal in here. So I'm just gonna dust the coffee table, the end tables, that little, I don't know, the shelf thing, and then the TV stand. This table is what I call quote unquote our entryway table. It holds all of our stuff that you either put there when you come in or you take when you leave. So I don't know why it gets so dusty, maybe because it's by the front door, but it gets super dusty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dust that. And then lastly, I am just vacuuming the living room and the hallway, and that should take us to the end of the video. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching and for your support. It really does mean a lot to me and my family. So if you could go check out my Facebook page. I also want you to check out Yoli for yourself. Don't do that for me, do it for yourself, because you will be amazed how great you feel after even 1 week. So go do that. And I also want to just pray that you guys stay happy and healthy in these uncertain times. And also leave in the comments below what video you guys would like to see next. So until next time, bye.